Hi guys, my name is Robert and this is,
Hi, I'm Devorah.
so you should know us by now, hopefully, and if not, that's okay. So Devorah's gonna explain to you what we have coming up.
So we're doing a West Coast Swing mini intensive. It's going to be a 2-hour West Coast Swing workshop. We're going to work on cool, fun social dancing patterns and concepts and technique to take your dancing to the next level. It's going to be at Paragon Dance Center in Tempe on Saturday, March 3rd, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Okay, so we hope to see you there.
Say 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're going to go and hook, turn, and hook, turn, walk, walk, anchor, step, roll it in, and walk up. Okay? So from right here, our lesson screen, we're going to do 2 walks forward, and we're going to take our partner's hand.
I love the West Coast Intensive. Robert and Devorah connected so easily and were such great instructors. They made it feel very comfortable, and they made me start thinking outside the box. And now I start listening to the music, and it was so much fun. Made wonderful connections with the other students as well.
And ditto, basically, on everything. But yes, I really liked about coming out of the box, getting away from all the triple steps. It really made us free. I can't wait for the next one, and I would recommend several people to come and do it because it was a lot of fun and a very good environment. Thank you.